In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, and once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. And please do watch this video right until the end to know the full steps of the Facebook deactivation account process, because it can be a bit confusing and complicated. So without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. I'm on my phone, but this guide is going to work on any device as long as you can go and access Facebook. If that's desktop or if that's mobile, it doesn't matter. So a quick note, deactivating Facebook isn't deleting. Deactivating means it's basically going to remove all of your pictures and everything from Facebook, but you can still go and reactivate your account at a later point, and you can also still use Messenger while your account is deactivated. So let's go and get straight into this guide. So let's go and open up Facebook, and as you can see, here I am on my account just here. So the first thing you want to do is go to the bottom right where it says menu, and then if you're on a desktop as well, you don't need to go to menu. What you're going to do is click on the downwards facing arrow, and you're going to see something called settings and privacy when you click on that downwards facing arrow, and then you want to go and click on settings. And then once you're in settings and you see all this stuff, it will look the same in the desktop as well. Then all you want to do is go and click on personal and account information. Click here, and then you've got this list here, and at the bottom it says account ownership and control, and that is the one you need to click on. So go and click on it, and then we've got these two options here, and the bottom one says deactivation and deletion. So go and click on there, and then as you can see, we've got these two options here, deactivate account and delete account. And as you can see, deactivate account is temporary, your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, and you'll be able to continue using Messenger, which of course is what we want to do. So go and click on continue to account deactivation, and then as you can see, you need to go and re-enter your Facebook password, and then you have to go and give a reason for why you're doing it. So you could go and click this is temporary, I'll be back. Then go and click continue. Then it goes and gives you a few alternatives and other options, and then you want to go to the bottom and go and see reactivating your account, and you can go and choose when it automatically reactivates, or you can go and turn that off. So you can have don't reactivate automatically, then you can go and click continue, and then you can go and finish the process. So if you found this guide useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.